Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you are facing the issue of voice message problem on WhatsApp, then it usually means that there has been a problem on your network, app or other kind of services. So to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then simply turn it off and make sure to turn the data back on. So this also helps you to fix the issue. But if you are using data, simply turn back the Wi-Fi and try to listen to the voice message which you received, or try sending a voice message to them. So if you are still not being able to do it, then you just need to go to Play Store or App Store and search WhatsApp from there and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available for that, then that may also be the issue that you are not being able to send the voice message or receive. So to fix it, you just need to update the app from the Play Store or App Store and you will be able to fix it. The third thing which you can do is that you may simply talk with the WhatsApp support team from WhatsApp. So simply talk with the WhatsApp support team and you just need to tell them the issue that your voice message is not being sent and our voice message is not being received. Then you will be able to fix the issue by talking with them. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of voice message problem on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.